In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add markups in CostMiner. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to construction estimating, understanding how to effectively add markups can ensure your projects stay profitable and on target. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the CostMiner website. Just open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for CostMiner. This is your home base for all things related to construction estimating and takeoff. If you haven't already bookmarked it, now might be a good time. Once you're at the home page, you'll need to log in to CostMiner. Locate the Login button and click on it. Enter your credentials to access the platform. Make sure you have them handy. Keeping these secure is crucial for protecting your project data. After successfully logging in, you'll find a list of your current projects. Click on the project you want to work with. This step is essential as all changes you make will be applied exclusively to this specific project. If you're managing multiple projects, be sure to select the correct one to avoid confusion. Now let's turn our attention to the estimating page. Here, focus on the column where you see a plus sign followed by a percent symbol. This column is your gateway for adding markups or overhead costs. It's designed for you to input percentages that reflect these additional costs to your project. To apply your markup, simply type in the percentage you've computed. If you're unsure how much to add, consider any additional costs or profit margins you want to account for in your budget. This might include things like unforeseen expenses or desired profit margins to ensure the project meets financial expectations. Once you've entered the desired percentage, you're almost done. Review all the changes to ensure accuracy. Double check that your percentage entries reflect your actual markup calculations. This is vital because any incorrect input could significantly impact your overall project estimate. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully added markups to your project in CostMiner. Taking the time to input these figures accurately will help ensure your project remains financially viable and competitive. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating your markups as your project progresses can be a critical factor in maintaining profitability and anticipating project needs. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial on how to add markups in CostMiner. I hope you found this guide both helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like us to cover in our next video. Happy project managing!